Okay, we're going to try these Evo style gaskets here. So this actually is an Evo gasket here. This pipe's way small. And this other pipe, we got the shovelhead version in there, which is about an 1/8 inch bigger diameter than this one is. We do a little slotting on our bolt holes here to make things fit. It's hard to see that, but that hole was slotted a little bit right there, and the front one was slotted a lot more. I'm holding it. Get the lock washer in there?
Nope.
Took about 4 hours to put 2 pipes on a bike. I'm not surprised. Oh, we have a problem putting the next one over here like that. This one doesn't even fit in here. So gasket causing problems up there or what?
Yeah, it must be rubbing on it.
Yeah, it's right next to the bolt head.
Yeah.
Doesn't surprise me. Let me have a go at it. I put the nut back there so it's staying on. A little tight.
Huh?
A little bit tight.
Yeah, they're a little snug.
That one I'm not sure if I can get a socket on that one. Push on with this maybe? It'll fit with this in here. I don't think you can use that on there.
What do you mean?
I think it's running a socket in there. The pipe's bent right there.
Oh yeah, you get one in there. No problem.
Got scratched the chrome. Do you care about that? Maybe just a little bit.
You got a wrench? Or
Yeah. You got all kinds of wrenches. You didn't bring over your special wrench for tightening up? How about this one? Like this one?
yeah.
Once you lightly torque that one down. Try to get things to pull in evenly.
Oh, here's that. For some reason, I don't. It must be because the other pipe's not on top of it. It just looks like it's slightly kicked out of dog, but it probably looks fine with the other ones on top.
Probably does. Okay, we got a torque we got on here.
Huh?
Pull it. Pull. See the torque I'm using? And you got to keep pulling those up until that gasket squishes in there and takes a set. I don't know if these things are going to stay in there or they're going to come out, so it's pretty tight. Okay, you got that good and tight on the bottom one, right?
Yep.
Okay, so let's get the rear pipe up in there. We dimpled that a little bit for clearance. Flip it over. Right there. Don't fuck with that chrome.
Yeah, it's gonna fucking flake and the whole thing's gonna fly out after we put it on the road.
That's right. High RPM. Yeah, flaky ass mechanic did that. We did it off of video too, so people wouldn't squirm. At least the customer did squirm, right?
Yeah.
Okay, gaskets in there, right? Yep.
Gaskets
Okay,
in.
get one bolt in here. There it goes. Okay, you got your bolt in where you belong? That's it. Got some room. Don't tighten it up yet. Let me get this thing started. Okay, I'm missing one bolt. We got a float right here somewhere.
I don't know. Yeah, it was on the ground. Remember we found it? Here, right here.
One thing about chrome round bolts, they roll. Okay, I'm all started. Okay, don't tighten up too much yet. Let me get the motor going. How's our, keep an eye on that clearance there.
We're good. So far.
I don't know if I can get this one or not here. I don't think so. It's going to leave marks. This one over here, probably not going to work either. And this one's probably not going to fit either, but I can get one out of that. Find me a line to put in the back of the bike here. A hose. What do you want to use for a hose? You gonna use that fancy stuff or?
Yeah, we got it left.
Okay, let's go ahead and get that. Figure out how you want to route that up on there. I ideally want to poke out back under here somewhere, going out. Long-winded bolts. So he's going to hook up the breather line somewhere on the bottom down there. So you have to work all the way up to here. You can put one of those fancy chrome fittings on that one too, so you can see it now.
Mm-hmm. Well, I mean,
And that would come through here. On that side, but if you're not behind this. Nope, nope, nope. Right through there. Pull. There you go. And go to here like this. Okay. See, it tucks it nice and clean. You don't even hardly see it. And you just have this hang out here a little bit and you clip it up below the muffler at some point. Is there any place back there to grab a hold of it, hook into something? Or
You can zip tie it to the
zip tie
bracket.
it, zip tie it right there. It's out of the way. You don't even see it. See, look up on top of you. You can't even hardly even see in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so
You got one of your.
fitting on that. There should be some fittings left over here, wouldn't there? There you go. Which way's the clamp going? They're both the same. You might have to reverse it. Good shot of your back. Who's Bob's? You want the clamp on the bottom or the top? To flip around the other way, look better. So when you put the clamp in here like this, you're going to be looking at the clamp. If you had it on the other side, it'd be under here. That looks better.
Mm-hmm.
So tighten this up and reverse it. Quarter drive. Just use quarter drive. With the socket. I mean, with the ratchet. Right there. Use this. Where's your little ratchet at? Flip right here somewhere. Back to work. And the breast brake for my 12-point bolts. So you gotta pull it on these pretty good up here. Is that the right amount of torque there, sir?
More than I would probably do, because I would hate to fucking pull that out.
These are not stupid Allen bolts. And these are STD heads. They use good aluminum. Remember, you only had 2 threads on the bolts, and look how tight they were. We have a ½ inch engagement at least in the bolt. So you have to get yourself a double box wrench, 12-point, quarter inch, 5/16, whatever it says. Yeah, that one got loose. Maybe it's stripping.
Yeah, don't say that, please. That's the first thing I...
That one's still tight. All right, tight enough for you there? After we run it a couple times, we'll re-torque them again. Put some more torque on them. Your clippers. You'd be like I am. You do it from a long distance. Less chance of scraping things, see?
That, cutters.
Right there. Cut them wherever you want to. Just don't make it short.
Oh, Jesus. You got like...
What are you getting? Been working a plane too many hours? You don't have any strength left?
Oh, fuck, have at it.
What'd you do to it?
Oh fuck yeah! Now that I cut through it.
He warmed it up for me. I just had to finish it off.
Let me see. This is the time over here sitting there somewhere.
Grab one of them yellow ones.
Yeah. Perfect. Look at this little short bastard.
Okay, we need a box to throw all this crap into. You got stacked up around here. don't know why you got so many damn junk laying around here. Look at all this stuff you got. Jeez. What do you need all this stuff to do? Exhaust pipe?
Yeah.
Crap coming out here. Jeez. Leftover crap everywhere. We're going to get to the tool section yet. Tools are almost as bad. Throw that down there. Where's my washers at for these?
Huh?
The washers? You want to make it back or? That the detail spray? Oh yeah, that's the most important thing to do.
I want to burn in all the fingerprints.
Got to do the detail spray wash. That was my autograph you're taking off. Yeah. Didn't like my autograph. Okay. Spark the plugs. Seat will be with later. Spray wash. Where's the ratchet tab? Tools everywhere. All right, I'll be back in a couple minutes.